Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. Some good news here. I was walking south down Vanderbilt Beach this morning. Right now it's about 8:15 and they got the smaller skid steer loader out here now, filling in these big trenches by the seawalls on Vandy. I'm just a little north of the Turtle Club. He needed a smaller machine. This big bulldozer was just a little bit too big. They didn't want to risk doing any damage to those seawalls. It's a ugly morning here. Drizzling, overcast. They are making headway here, making progress. It's awesome. They've got the seawall filled in all along by the Turtle Club. Our operator up there. Making sure he sees me. Great. You can see where he's got it all filled in here and graded out. The stairs at the Turtle Club actually go to the beach now. They actually lead to the beach. That is awesome. Absolutely awesome. They're putting their lounge chairs out. That must mean, doesn't mean the hotel is open, the inn, the resort. Turtle Club's not open yet. They're working hard to reopen the Turtle Club. There you go. That big old trench that was here is no longer. They're slowly working their way up the beach now, filling it in. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like what you see here, give it a share. Remember, tips are always appreciated. You can find a link to my PayPal account in the description of this post. Tally-ho, my friends, tally-ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Rob Stan. God bless.